Today, I want to talk about Genspark Agent. Most people talk about how cool AI slide if you look through X. Yeah, this is the only tip of iceberg. I want to share what I can use for delegating and saving a ton of time running my own business multi-SaaS and AI agency. Before diving into it, please make sure to subscribe both my YouTube channel and newsletter. So first thing is about SEO. So every business needs to enhance their SEO to be more noticeable to their potential customers and beat their competitors. I often use Ahref, but always struggling to find more relevant keywords for more opportunity. Instead of starting with blank pages, I use Genspark for this use case. So I saved all the prompts in this spreadsheet and I will share this one on my newsletter. So check out my newsletter, and here I will create another one, Genspark. Here, basically, act as an expert SEO strategist specializing in semantic search and identifying untapped keyword opportunities. And here you just have to change to your brand. So my case, threads, social media, and our core topic is thread growth system or strategy, like this. And I ask generate a list of LSI keywords, related niche topics, or long tail keyword variations. So let's run this one. Then we'll see the untapped keywords that I may overlook. It will take a little bit of time, but compared to other agents, this is like Manus AI, this is a lot faster. So now they're done with their research. And if I go back here, so if we look through the result, I'm actually pretty satisfied with what they are bringing to the table. So for example, I forgot to touch on B2B thread marketing, as my ICP was mainly on individuals, but I also noticed that there are brands coming into threads recently. So this can be a good keyword that I can capitalize. Similarly, if I go here, combat threads content fatigue, I haven't thought about this part, so I can write blog for boost my SEO around my business. Like this, threads customer acquisition framework optimization, like this. With Genspark Agent, you don't have to start from blank pages. You can always start with some of the keywords, and then you can just filter down based on your needs and criteria and pick up and capitalize your SEO. We just finished SEO keywords for your business. And now the next step is generate content ideas based on those research. So coming back here, and I have another prompt. This is long one. So I will copy here and paste it. And just a brief run here is I ask, you're a content strategist and we have this brand and our goal is this one, and we have this target audience or ICP, and our goal is to publish on XYZ platform. And then we ask a lot of variations. So previous keywords, and here we ask different format, post, short video, infographic, webinar, style, tone, and also A/B testing for checking out the performance and everything. So if I just run this one, oh, I think I forgot one thing here is keywords found and generate content ideas. Let's see. My expectation was agent asking me further questions to clarify my questions. I want to keywords being used in threads or threads growth system or strategy from the previous step. Not HR tech keywords. So now it works as expected. Genspark picks up the keywords that we found from the previous step and tried to create a 30-day content calendar. And here, they're still making it, or they're done. And if you look at this, they created the target keyword, idea, format, and style, tone, A/B test suggestion as well. So this way, I normally don't like copy and paste from AI generate content. I really like to put my own spin and more ideas, but here this way you don't have to worry about the starting points, which blocks most people from publishing content for their business consistently. So here I'll do like thread engagement framework, how I engage better with my own audience, like converting threads into paying clients. This is our slogan. And here, content batching system, pipeline, reply depth strategy. I love this. Basically, I will use this as my baseline for next content series. So we've touched, if we coming back, we've touched SEO and content ideas with SEO. Then what is the next step? It's the funnel. So often, if you focus on viral posts on social media, you're missing out an important thing, funnel. Any business's final destination of social media ads should focus on funnel, either your newsletter, landing page, product page, etc. So you have to consider how to set a funnel properly. However, this is not an easy step as a solo founder or as a beginner entrepreneur. So let's ask Genspark to help you to do this one. Go to strategist one, and I will copy in this. Coming back here, and let's run a little bit here as I give them a role, expert marketing strategist, especially in funnel. And you have to just change your brand name, description of your brand, and your main voice. If you're not sure about a brand voice, simply go to ChatGPT and ask like this: what are the keywords that describe your brand voice? And there are many things: playful, empowering, bold, clear, professional, cutting edge, social conscious. So for our case, I use empowering. So I'll do here, change empowering. And here, brand name is brand site. growth system that converts. I have my slogan, and our target audience is like creators, solopreneurs, marketers, like that. And here you have to just change your goal, business goal. Here is, we'll have more conversion to paid users and set up the email, stack up the email list like this. And you can also add the channel here. I'll do YouTube, LinkedIn, X, and Threads. And I ask exceptional strategy for setting up our content funnel. And here, the first thing is stages, content mapping with your brand voice, and seamless transition CTA, and viral content, and exceptional factor like this. And here, same thing, I'll say empowering. Then you just need to, enter, wait a little bit. Finally, so let's go up. This is Q's report. I'm not going to cover everything, but I just want to show a few things that I really like. The first thing is they cover different stages of customer journey. So the first journey is problem aware and product aware, and the second one is solution aware. We are the solution to their problems, and product consideration part, and also purchase and implementation retention stage 2. And even they become your fan, and they share for your products or you. And here, content mapping strategy here. And each stage, they employ different strategy. So this one is problem aware. So they go like why 83% of creators are stuck. And also here, consideration strategy, and they gave me a different strategy that I can use. And brand voice here, convergent way, why we're the important and why we can help you to save your time, energy, money, and ROI calculator too. So I love this one especially. Yep. And if we go retention page, here is quick win protocol guideline. I already have this one, but I really love this one with email sequence and private video tutorials. I don't have this one, so I might try this approach. And success and sharing, testimonial part. And even for CTAs, they found YouTube viewers, social platform, and case study. They set different content pillars that I can try. Going down here, viral content. See, so I love this one. Create viral potential threads, pattern inner common threads misconception, then pivot to system thinking, then introduce our product. This is so smart. So going down the exceptional part. So basically in this long document, with just one short prompt, they cover everything I asked for. Lastly, I want to cover AI slides, which was Hive on X and other social media. So I'm not a huge advocate for this, and I don't think this is a game changer, but I found it pretty useful. So for example, I just give a very simple prompt. I want to create slides that share what will be differentiators for Super Agent of Genspark compared to other competitors. And within a few minutes, it creates a beautiful slides for me, like this: Genspark Super Agent and unique features, transparent reasoning, and competitive advantages. I especially like this visual. And real world application, you can call, you can generate video generation, travel planning, etc. like this, and feature outlook. So what if I ask this one to create AI slides based on the conversation we have had so far, finding keywords for our business and content ideas and funnel integration. So let's assume that I have to make a report or I have to present to others with these findings. Beautiful slides based on what we have talked today, like keywords and content ideas, funnel setting. Be great if you can incorporate the brand identity. So it took around 10 minutes to build 15 pages slides, and fresh eye. I don't like colors, but I like their information in here. Like what is stress side, keywords we've been using, calendar strategy, like architecture, a funnel stage, CTA. It seems very professional. So, and I saw this edit in AI slides. So let's see, this is working. And select to edit. Oh, so can I change it like this? Okay, I think if you know HTML, you can just change here directly, or no? Okay, so every time if I want to change something, it's not like Canva. You have to ask Genspark to modify slides. So that isn't ideal, in my opinion. But cool thing is you can do fact check content. If content is right, show me the references. And if I run this one, ooh, look at this. They're looking at my website, my landing page. So like this, you can do a fact check. And I think the cool thing is you can export it. Loading slides, and here export as PDF, or you can run slides here directly as your presentation. So we've covered how to use Genspark, including the hive of slides, and but especially for marketing and brand perspectives. Of course, you can create a 3D games, build a website, and do whatever, but I don't think that is a huge game changer for your business. And I hope this video is helping you to grow your business with AI, and see you in the next video.